Hello guys, so today we're gonna talk about how to launch your website on Bluehost. So first of all, you need to assign a domain. So you can buy a domain with Bluehost or you can purchase with other domain registrar service. For example, in my case, it's GoDaddy. So I did it with GoDaddy and I just assigned a domain to Bluehost. So as you can see here, you need to assign your domain as an add-on. I will probably show it in another video, but basically you just need to go here, put your domain, and before that you need to change your name servers on GoDaddy or other service. After that, you need to launch your website from Bluehost. So you just need to go to My Sites tab and click Create Site. You need to give your site a name. So I just registered the domain debugger.com. And then I need to choose domain here. As you can see, if you on a plus plan with Bluehost, it will create subdomains or subfolders, subdomains, sorry, for your primary domain, which is my other domain. So I just need to select this, and then there are some recommendations with helpful free plugins. And after that, Bluehost will automatically set up your website in WordPress. So let's just wait. So here it is. It was installed after around 30 seconds. And here are some details how to log in. After that, there is some basic help from Bluehost after you logged into your WordPress account. So Bluehost can help you to set up your account. So let's just check it out. Yes. Then it will offer you to connect to WordPress.com in order to use Jetpack and statistics. After that, you can enter your street address, city, zip code, and stuff like that. You can also install WooCommerce here. I won't do it. And here it is. After that, you can customize it with some themes. So currently this is 2017 theme, which is like a standard theme. But the thing is, if you go to website right now, yes, it's live here, hooray! But it's not live if I'll be logged out. I will show you. So if I go to this website from Chrome browser where I'm not logged in into WordPress, it will display a new WordPress site coming soon. So how to remove that? So in order to remove that, you need to go to Bluehost menu, click Home, and then you need to click Launch your site. And then your site is live. So let's check if it's displaying. So now it's displaying and basically the website is live. So after that you can customize your themes, you can play with design, add some content, build backlinks and stuff like that. But with Bluehost it's actually pretty easy. Thanks for watching.